Hey food lovers, ready to make the world's best lasagna? Perfect for a cozy dinner. Let's get started. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage, 3/4 pound lean ground beef, and 1/2 cup minced onion. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, crushed. For the sauce, we have 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cans of tomato sauce, and 2 cans of tomato paste. Add 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 4 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. We're also using 1½ teaspoons dried basil leaves, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. For the layers, we need 12 lasagna noodles, 16 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, 3/4 pound mozzarella cheese, and 3/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Start by cooking the sausage, ground beef, onion, and garlic in a Dutch oven over medium heat until well browned. Stir in your crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and water. Season with sugar, 2 tablespoons of parsley, basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, Italian seasoning, fennel seeds, and pepper. Let it simmer, covered, for about 1½ hours, stirring occasionally. While that's simmering, bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook your lasagna noodles in boiling water for about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain them and rinse with cold water. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine your ricotta cheese with the egg, the remaining 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. Now, it's time to assemble. Spread 1½ cups of meat sauce at the bottom of a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Arrange 6 noodles lengthwise over the meat sauce, overlapping slightly. Spread with half of the ricotta cheese mixture, top with 1/3 of the mozzarella cheese slices, spoon 1½ cups of meat sauce over the mozzarella, and sprinkle with 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Repeat the layers, then top with the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Cover with foil, making sure to spray the foil with cooking spray or ensure it doesn't touch the cheese. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for an additional 25 minutes, let it rest for 15 minutes before serving, and there you have it, the ultimate lasagna, ready to wow your taste buds. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Enjoy and see you next time on Kraystar Flavor King.